Just like cutting butter. Question, should we start with the molding inside or the outside? About what?
The foam.
No, didn't come out. Wait, you got it on impact?
Is it? The heck? Yeah.
Hold on. There. Right there. Just don't eat my finger. There you go. Fine. There you go, mister. There. Okay, try the door.
Ahí estamos. Cable. Shit.
Perfectly, huh?
Yeah.
There you go.
This lock here, because it's the opposite way.
Wait, what do you mean?
Look. See how the only way to open it's gonna be from the inside. You can't go through here anymore.
Oh, that's
Esto es
right.
más seguro está así.
Yeah.
¿Eh? Ahí está.
Ahí está, mira.
Okay. Okay, now let's get with the molding.
Yeah.
Alrighty, looking good.
Right here's good enough, no?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I got. See, because you're on a very uncomfortable position.
Just hold on.
Now that's fine. Let's just do the next cuts. Okay, give me the other piece.
Right.
That's it. Okay.
How's that right there?
Yeah, perfect. Go ahead. Is it off?
No, it's just.
There you go.
Good.
Okay, go ahead and put one right here.
Got it.
Or higher, from here to anywhere.
Where?
Anywhere over
Right
my
here?
hand. Yeah, that's fine. Got it.
Got it.
How's everything?
Getting that the way it's supposed to be.
All right, get ready to
Hold on. I'm still not ready down here.
secure the top.
Alright.
A line over there?
Okay. Hold no. Right. There, that's as nice as I can get over here.
Okay.
That good enough?
Yeah. Do somewhere in the center.
Okay. Hold. Right here's good enough. One on each corner?
Yeah.
Like right here? I see. Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That was a little too low for my. I see.
Yeah, just a line. Okay, when I got something on my eye.
I told you to let go of that phone. I need you to move now. I can do it now.
Yeah, yeah.